Hello viewers, I'm an engineer as Ahmed that so today we will learn how to draw a single line diagram on etap. So it is too much easy, not that difficult. First of all, we have to go on the on the right side of the software etap. Then here is a power grid. So I will tap on it and I will drag it on the screen. So this is a power grid. I will draw a single line diagram. This is a transformer. Uh, then this is another transformer. So here we go. This is bus bar. So actually, bus bar is a conductor. Consider it as a conductor. Its advantage is it allows incoming and outgoing voltages. So this is the advantages of a bus bar. So I'm hopeful that you will like this video, and if you will like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I believe in concepts, and I'm making conceptual videos. So here I have dragged out four components, and now I want to bring a lamp load. So this is lamp load 1. For example, I will take 3 lamp loads. This is lamp load 2. So this is third one. Uh, Now I will connect these. Okay. So today I will just draw a single line diagram on etap. So on my next video I will also set the parameters of this transformer according to the designing according to the given question. So today just I want to draw this on etap. It would be a brief introduction about how to draw a single line diagram on etap. If anybody will ask you, can you draw a single line diagram on etap, because it is too much important in power system, in all electrical engineering, not in power system. So now I want to connect these. I will also bring a cable here. So this is a cable. This is a cable. Now I will connect this. First of all, I will extend this line because extension is needed over here. So that's why I will tap and drag it. So you have to extend it on the left and the right side, on the both side. So now I will connect these here. Yes, here we go. And this, just you have to tap on it and the red light will appear. Then you have to connect this in a simple way. Then when no. So when I will, yes, so now I have to connect this. So this is a cable. Just I will connect this. Yes, here we go. I have connected this, and if I will come here, then I can connect this. So then I can connect this with this bus bar. This, you can say that this line is incoming and these lines will be outgoing. So this is one load I have to connect over here, and this is the another lamp load. You could take on any type of load. It depends upon you. Motor is also a load. induction motor, etc. So this is a single line diagram on etap. Thank you so much. On my another videos I will also level the parameters of this single line diagram by looking at the diagram or by looking at the designing specifications. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you have liked my video. Thank you so much.